business challenges that you guys face from a data perspective, right? I guess I'm kind of curious, and the question would be for you guys, if you think about customer-focusing, manufacturing entities, like what are some of the other challenges? We have sales data, we have service data, we have ERP data, but what are the challenges that manufacturers are facing just with the abundance of data that they have to absorb right now?
All that data is in different places. That's like the first challenge, honestly. Chris and I were talking about just the different platforms that are out there from different, it could be through M&A, right? Through mergers and acquisitions, all that data that's out there. So it's kind of the beginning piece of it, the beginning part of the challenge. And then it's what data is good? What does good data really mean? And I have conversations all the time with customers, and they say, oh, well, we don't want to talk to Salesforce because we have this ERP project going on, or we have to clean our data. And 30 plus years doing this, and that's a pipe dream. Like, I don't want to burst your bubble. That's not going to happen. Like, the data is going to stay where it is. You have to do something different, right? You got to take clean data out of your platforms, put it into, it sounds funny, put it into another data platform, whether it's data cloud, data warehouse, whatever you're using, and then leverage that data, because now you know what data is good.